4-knob RGBW LED RF controller has multiple control methods. Knob-controlled color changing, remote-controlled color changing, master-controlled color changing. Turn the knobs to adjust red, green, blue, white levels. Short press to switch to dynamic change mode. Short press to set mode speed. Rotate the button to adjust the brightness. Long press 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. Press on/off or zone key within 5 seconds to pair. Touch or slide the color wheel to adjust the color. 4 zones select and turn on the partition light. Short press to switch between static color. Long press to adjust brightness. Short press to cycle through dynamic modes. Adjust static RGB brightness or dynamic mode speed. Save or call up the scene. Note, when you turn the knob control becomes the current selection. Long press 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. Long press 2 seconds within 5 seconds to pair another controller. Easily synchronize multiple lights to achieve smart control of the whole house.